Good morning, class. I am Jerome Tam Sagansan, your teacher for today's subject. Before we tackle our topic for today's, let opening prayer first. For those Catholic, the sign of a cross. So now we will have an action song to keep moving and keep us alive. So entitled, I've Got Joy. Want to follow me, class? I've got joy down in my heart, deep, deep down in my heart. Jehovah down in my heart, deep, deep down in my heart. Jesus given to me, and no one can destroy it. Destroy, destroy, oops, I've got joy down in my heart, deep, deep down in my heart. Okay, settle down. Before you sit down, pick up pieces of paper so that we can proceed to our topic. Okay, today's class, we were discussing is all about the solar system. Are you familiar for the solar system, class?
Yes, sir.
So name of some planets. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, James, what planet do you know?
Venus.
Okay, very good. Very good, James. So some. The other hand. Okay. Andrew.
Saturn, sir.
Saturn, very good. Okay, Sarah.
Neptune, Earth, Uranus, Mercury, Mars, and Jupiter, sir.
Very good, Sarah. Let's clap our hands. Our topic for today is all about solar system. So let's first, what is our objectives? Objective. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify and describe the characteristic of each planet and solar system, including the size, composition, atmosphere, and notable features. And next, students will develop a special awareness as they arrange the planet. Develop the unspecial for wonders and universe. What is a solar system? The solar system is comprises the sun and all essential bodies that is orbit around it, including planets and other smaller objects. The solar system is like a giant family of planets, moon, asteroids, and comets all held together by the sun gravity. At the center of all is the sun, which gives light and warmth to everything around it. Orbiting the sun are 8 planets. So, the 8 planets of the solar system. First is the Mercury, Venus, the Earth, Mars, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Oh,
Okay, class, this is a solar system. The Sun, the Mercury, the Venus, the Earth, the Mars, the Jupiter, and the Saturn, the Uranus, and the Neptune. So that is the 8 planets surrounded by the Sun. So let's describe one by one the planets. So first is the Mercury, the smallest and closest planet to the Sun. It's super hot because it's closest to the Sun. So this is the Mercury. And next one is the Venus, our neighbor. It's often called Earth's sister planet because it's similar in size, but it's really hot due to its thick atmosphere. So this is Venus. The Earth, the whole sweet home, and it's right just distant from the Sun for the life and thrive. Next one is the Mars. Mars often called the red planet because of its next planet out from Earth. So this is the Mars. Okay, the Jupiter, the biggest planet in the solar system with a swirling storm. So this is Jupiter. What's class?
Jupiter.
Very good. The next one is the Saturn, famous Asia class because NASA beautiful ring. It's a ring of the Saturn. What is this? Saturn. Very good, class. So Uranus, which spins of its side. So this is Uranus. and also the Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun, where it's super cold. So this is the Uranus and the Neptune. Then, the distance between the planets are so vast that it's hard to comprehend even though they all orbit on the same star. They are separated by elements void. For space is a reminder of the incredible scale of our solar system and the universe beyond. So that's our topic for today's class. Thank you for listening. So now let's move on for our activity. For your group activity, I will group you into 5. So we will count 1 to 5. Okay, starting from you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So please gather all the group number 1 here, number 2 there, number 3 here, number 4 there, and number 5 here. So your group activity is that you will place the planets according to their sizes and their arrangement in the solar system. So I have here the planets there, the 8 planets I have here. So you will paste right there, so that we will create a solar system. So I will give you 10 minutes for this activity. So let's start. Let's check your activity. So this is the Sun, the Mercury, the Venus, the Earth, and the Mars, Jupiter, the Saturn. Okay, very good. The Uranus, wow, very good. The Neptune. So, perfect class, very good. Let's clap our hands. Thank you, class, for cooperating for this day. So that's all for today. Thank you and good day, everyone.